Hello everyone, it's Bailey with Wilco Adventures. We just boarded the Harmony of the Seas and this is our room. It is a grand suites. So you first walk in, you have some storage space here. You have a nice big closet. You have some more storage here. And you do have your safe right there. Have a little mini bar here, which there is a fridge in there. You have your coffee machine. We did get some waters delivered to the room for being Crown and Anchor members. And then you have a nice big bathroom, toilet, double sinks. You have a shower and a tub. Pretty spacious and big. You got some storage in the mirrors to store all your stuff. And then it leads right out to the living room area. So you have two chairs, and then you do have a couch that does pull out to a bed if needed. And then you have, they give you masks when you get on board, the cruise compass if you want that. We did get some fruit delivered to the room. And they did leave this nice little kind of pamphlet here. You have a TV with some more storage. And then it goes right into where the bedroom is. So you have a nice king size bed. Vanities on both sides. You do have a TV. And there are curtains on both sides, so you can kind of close that area off at the night. And there is a nice vanity here. So it has storage on both sides, storage down below, and it does have this nice jewelry box, which I've never seen on any Royal Caribbean cruises before, so that's kind of a nice little touch. You do have windows that look out to the balcony, but you don't have access to the balcony from the room. So to access the balcony, you have to use the door in the main area. So you have two chairs and a table, and there are two kind of recliner chairs that you can use that do also have a little table down below. Overall, this is the room.